Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Hot weather is just around the corner, and if you want your landscape plants to survive, you need to make sure your irrigation system is working properly. If you have a grass lawn, make sure your sprinkler nozzles are cleaned out and are adjusted to cover the area they are supposed to cover. Also, make sure they overlap all the way to the adjacent sprinkler head to get full coverage. If you don't check these things now, you will be seeing brown spots where the water doesn't get to. Checking your drip system is even more important because usually you don't see the drip emitters working. So now is a good time to turn on your system and find the emitters to make sure they are working properly. These emitters can get clogged or malfunction when they get older. Make sure they are working properly so your plants get enough water this summer. Also, check your irrigation controller to make sure it is set correctly. The key to summer watering is to wet the soil beyond the depth of the root system and then let the soil dry enough on the surface to get air to the roots as well. This is accomplished by slow, deep soaking with longer intervals between watering. In order to water properly, you have to know how much water you are applying. It is very important that you increase the amount of water for your plants for the hot season. To make sure your plants are getting enough water, use this general guideline. For every foot of height or width, whichever is greater, they need 1 gallon of water every time they're watered. This can vary depending on many factors such as soil type, temperature, type of plant, age of plant, and how long it has been in the ground. Don't keep the soil surface too wet. Remember, plant roots need 2 things to survive. They need air and they need water. And if the water is occupying all the pore space in the soil, then they can't get air to the roots and they will suffocate. Don't wait too long to check your irrigation system, because when it's 110 degrees outside, you definitely don't want to be out digging in the yard trying to find problems. For more information on irrigation systems, get free copies of Star Notes number 905 and 910 at starnursery.com or on our new app for your smartphone. And don't forget, we make house calls. Go into your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.